Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is expedite. It is pronounced expedite and spelt E-X-P-E-D-I-T-E. Think ex, ped, and then ite. Expedite means to make something happen more quickly or efficiently. It's like giving a boost to the process to get things done faster. For example, you could say, to expedite the delivery, the company hired extra delivery drivers. Or, the teacher expedited the grading process by deploying a better system. The word expedite comes from the Latin word expeditus, which means unimpeded or ready for action. Throughout history, the term was used in military contexts to describe moving troops or supplies quickly to achieve a strategic advantage. In the Harry Potter series, when wizards need to move somewhere quickly, they travel using apparition or a magical item called a portkey. These allow them to disappear in one place and magically reappear at their intended destination. Portkeys expedite their travel. Synonyms for expedite include accelerate, hasten, facilitate, and quicken. Antonyms for expedite are delay, hinder, impede, and obstruct. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, expedite. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.